Hey everyone. So my Apple AirTag battery died. So I have this on my keys and I have this little Belkin keychain holder, AirTag holder thing. And it took me a few minutes to figure out how to get it off. I was trying to pry it off and push this out and started looking at it, and I could see that there's two pieces. So I just wanted to do a quick video on how to open it. So just looking at it, turning it sideways, and then the front we're going to turn towards the camera. The back we're going to turn away from the camera, so you can see we're just turning different directions. You can just see how it's rotating apart, and that's basically it. You just go until it gets to about here. Top comes off. Grab your AirTag out. Okay. And while we're at it, if you don't know how to get your battery out of one of these AirTags, you have to push down. I use 2 fingers and then turn counterclockwise, so to the left. And it's only like 1/8 of a turn. I don't even know if it's that much. And then that pops off. And you're looking for a 2032 battery. So if you don't have a bunch of these, pick a pack up next time you're at Costco or Sam's, because they're in everything. So I'm going to be replacing that. Why don't I go get my replacement battery, which is going to take me 10 minutes to get out of the packaging, and then we'll put it all back together. All right, I fought with the packaging and got my CR 2032 battery back to put in, so it's a new one. You can see there's these little tabs on here, and they kind of line up with the tabs on here. I think the easiest is just to set it on there and just find the groove. Feels like I got it in there, and then you're just gonna, same concept, just other way, push down and then twist to the right. Yep, so you don't have to do much, and then it just locks it. So you just kind of push down and then turn to the right once you got it in the little grooves. So that seems good. Now, put it back in here. Guess I could clean the thing, but I don't really care that much. And then we're just gonna put this over the top, and we're trying to make sure that we get a good, it's got to be far enough. Yeah, there. I have to look at it without looking at the camera. There we go. So you kind of get it here and you snap it, and then once you get it there, it's just rotate those pieces together, and you're done. You did it. That only took a few minutes, and took more time to take the battery out of the stupid child-proof packaging. All right, well, I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.